Hello everyone, welcome back to my space. Today I'm going to talk about very important features which is used for documentation, especially in the IT industry. So I'll talk about this markdown file, which what is markdown file and how we can create a document in markdown file. So yeah, a markdown file we can refer as a plain text document, that uses a lightweight markup language and which is very easy. And it is to add formatting elements such as headings, and bold text, or make a list, unordered or ordered list. And these files typically use the extension as .md or .markdown, and it's normally it's it is designed to be easy to read and write. So this is very, I mean, widely used uh, structure. We always see readme.md files on GitHub and other repo. So this is the how we can create our markdown file. This I can show you. So if you can see here, a single hash is for the largest heading, and if we need to, decrease the size of the heading, so we can put double hash. And further, if you want to decrease, yeah, we can put, three times hash before heading. So if you see here, we can see the live preview as well for Markdown Live from markdownlivepreview.com. So it's heading one. If you this see, this is the largest heading, and this is the one heading two, which is corresponding to double hash. And as far as order list is concerned, if we want to make it, unordered list, so we just need to put this asterisk. So it will put like the output will be like this. And if we need to make an order list, so simply we can put like one, two dot. So it will the output will be as it is, one, two. So it will make the ordered list. And if we need to add some, hyperlinks, so we can just put this in the inside the braces, and then we have to give the target URL. So in this case, if you see here, I have put markdown guide by Khan, which is enclosed with this braces, and then I have added this link. So if I click on this link, it will take me to mulesoft.com. So this is how we can make a hyperlink. And block quotes. So in the greater than key we can use to put it. This is mm, mm, for block quotes, right? And if we need to put, for the inline code to highlight, right? So we can use this single backtick, which we can find in the keyboard like the escape. So use the single backtick for inline code and three for the code blocks. Okay. So if you see here, constant code blocks, if you see here, this is the constant example of example equals to hello. This is the inline code, right? And for the code block, if you see here, this is for uh, three times backticks. If we include, so it will look like this, right? So this is how we can create our document. And and the best part is that if we can export this markdown file to PDF easily. So it's very useful to As far as the formatting is concerned, so it's very, useful, and the portability and future proofing as well with plain text formatting and conversion to HTML. And yeah, we can use in all our common use cases as well, right? So we can create and edit. So it's very, easy to read, right? Human readable format. So we can try and we can create our documents in .md file, and if we want to convert into PDF, yeah, we can convert it. So like this, if we open this markdown live preview, and if we put our text here, so in the right hand side we can see the output as well. So hope you like it and give it a try. So this is very good uh, to create our documentation, right? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning.